Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the speed for audio files in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to start a new one, click on the plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery one of your videos that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you can see that there is a sound already added. You have to click on that sound section, and now on the bottom of the screen, if you scroll, you can see the speed icon. Click on it, and now here you can adjust, you can decrease or increase the speed of your audio. And when you are done, click on the check mark icon on the bottom of the screen, and then you're all set. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.